Assalamualaikum. Here is Roshni with CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines. FM Shah Mahmood Qureshi meets Afghan counterpart at Heart of Asia sidelines. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi met his Afghan counterpart Hanif Atmar on the sidelines of the Heart of Asia conference in Dushanbe. Ahmed Ali Butt says he is against man-hating feminism. Ahmed Ali Butt has clarified whether he is a feminist or not years after his initial reaction to the annual Aurat March made headlines. Washington teens charged in carjacking that killed Pakistani man. Two girls aged 13 and 15 were charged with the murder and carjacking of a Pakistani immigrant killed last week while working at his job delivering food in Washington, D.C. in an incident a bystander captured on video. Court summons health officials as minor denied snake bite vaccine died. A district and sessions judge has sent out notices to all concerned health officials 2 days after a minor died following a snake bite due to unavailability of vaccine to save him. US dollar falls below 154 rupees against rupee. Pakistani rupee strengthened by 74 paisas against the United States dollar at the start of today's trading in the interbank currency market. Public transport banned in 9 Punjab cities including Lahore. Keeping in view the rising coronavirus cases, the Punjab Transport Department banned all types of public transport in 9 cities of Punjab including provincial capital Lahore. Pakistan records 100 deaths of COVID and 4,084 infections in a day. Pakistan has recorded 100 more deaths by COVID-19 and 4,084 more new cases in the city over the past 24 hours. This is the end of today's news. Take care and stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.